Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically share your Instagram story to your Facebook account. So here I've already on the Instagram apps and I'm going to click on this to create a story. Then before you create a story, just go to the settings icon here at the top, gear icon, and here choose the story settings. Click on story and scroll down. Here on the settings section, you can see this is the share your story Facebook settings. So when you activate this, your story will automatically share also to your Facebook story. So just click on the circle until it turns to blue, and after that, when you create a story, it will automatically upload also to your Facebook story. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.